Tonight Lane's making some Cajun pasta, and I'm going to show you guys everything you need to make the pasta sauce. The first thing he's going to do is saute this onion, bell pepper, and garlic in some olive oil. And once that's done, he's going to make some Alfredo sauce, and it's going to be milk, cream cheese, butter, a little bit of this salsa, and this says hot, and it actually is hot. A lot of the sauces from the store say hot, and they are not, but this one actually is very hot. So we're just going to put a little bit of that, some Parmesan Romano cheese, and some Cajun seasoning and black pepper. And you can use Old Bay, Cajun seasoning, Louisiana, Tony Chachere's, whatever one you like to use with that. But you can use heavy whipping cream to make your Alfredo. You can buy a jar of Alfredo sauce, but if you want to do it with milk, you put cream cheese in there to thicken it up some. And then once the sauce is made, I will show you guys what it looks like. And everything is to taste as far as proportions go. If you want it spicier, add more seasoning or more salsa. But I'll get back with you with the end result sauce. Okay, here you can see Lane has finished the Cajun pasta sauce. There's some nice big shrimp in there too. Let's see, you could see all the seasonings. He also added parsley and oregano, basil, in here. That's what the herbs are that you can see, but it looks really nice and creamy and thick. Look at that. You can see all the Cajun seasonings and spices and the vegetables. Really good. And it tastes excellent. Thanks for watching.